6:30 in the morning on Saturday, November 2nd, and today is the day that we cover the lavender in 2019.
A lot of people ask us if they need to cover their lavender for the winter. The short answer is it probably helps and it won't hurt. Here in Newport, Maine, we're in Zone 4B, and we could have rain, bitter cold, piles of snow, and mild temps all in the same day. The row cover we use is Agribon 50. It keeps the snow from packing in and around the plants and gives the leaves a little extra protection from the cold, dry winds. We cover around the 1st of November after the mice have found homes in other places, hopefully, but before the ground starts to freeze up. We roll the edges for added strength and put 6-inch landscape staples every 2.5 to 3 feet. In the spring, when the winds blow and the receding frost pushes the pins out of the ground, we know it's time to uncover.
Well, there you have it. The lavender is all covered for 2019. We're a couple of days earlier than last year in covering, and the weather seems to be a little bit milder. Last year, the day after we covered, it started to snow. We had a few inches of snow, and it didn't leave the ground all winter from then on. We hope to catch up with you next year.